All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday evening, morning, wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. Let's take a look at Pepe. What is happening right now, and are we about to see a god candle coming into the charts in the upcoming days ahead of us? Of course, everyone wants a god candle, but let's see if that is possible. So, before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, looking at Pepe, you can see we're seeing a little bit of a bounce, but so is the entire market. So let's remember that the entire market right now, in the moment as I'm making this update, entire market is pumping. And if we're looking at Pepe, it's up 3.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 2% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, it's below a $500 million mark, but I think in the next few hours, if BTC continues to go towards 35K, we could see Pepe also making its way back up to that level, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $67.7 million. But now let's take a further look and see what is happening. So the holder count is increasing, and this is something that I love to see. The holder count continues to move towards the upside. People are continuously adding Pepe into their portfolio, which is lovely to see. And this is something I've projected to you guys before, and of course the entire narrative behind Pepe is quite bullish because it's a meme coin, and it's the meme coin of the cycle. That's how it's being taken as far as the community goes. But the holder count is increasing. A lot of people are very excited, and people think that the ROI potential on Pepe is really high compared to the likes of Dogecoin and the likes of Shiba Inu. And in my honest opinion, that is true in some sense. And I think this will be here to compete with Shiba Inu, not Dogecoin. I don't think any meme coin can take over Dogecoin, but I think this has the possibility to do something like Shiba Inu, but there's a lot of factors that go into it. Of course, more exchange listings, bigger burns, and if it's able to level a type of burn that we have seen with Shiba Inu, Pepe can shock a lot of people. But now let's take a look at the price of Pepe, because everyone is here for the price. Everyone wants to know when the god candle, something like we've seen just over the past 2 weeks. So, if we're looking at the price right now, pretty much dancing back and forth within this range. We did see a little bit of a wick back towards the downside, and that was mainly because of Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a cool off happening. But you can see this green candle once again is forming, and if we're able to continue this upwards trajectory, we could be setting a new monthly high for none other than Pepe. And in order for us to beat the October high, we need to move up about 24% from the current price level. So that would be really, really nice to see. But the most important thing I want you guys to note is that main target is going to be at none other than this level of resistance where I'm currently having my mouse on, which is at the 1501 mark, and that's quite a big move in my opinion. That's a move of about 34%, guys. So these are some targets we could be aiming for Pepe in the upcoming days ahead of us. But of course, it's reacting to the market momentum. Love to see that. And also what I love to see is the fact that we have held within this level of support. You can see this for yourself. We never managed to break below this level of support, which is great to see, and of course indicates that the momentum is really, really bullish. As far as dominance is concerned, it's pulling down, and if you watch my other updates, you guys know dominance is the main factor as to why we're seeing a lot of momentum shifting into altcoins right now. And BTC, on the other hand, is also forming a green candle right now. And could we be making our way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level? If so, two things can happen. Dominance can shoot back up. That's one thing I want you guys to note. We could have dominance picking up once again. We're not out of the woods just yet for Bitcoin dominance. And also, the second thing that can happen is, of course, if dominance picks up and BTC comparative, we might see altcoins lagging behind once again. So that is my overall take on Pepe right now. What I'm projecting right now is, of course, for us to make our way back up to that November 2nd wick, which was at that 12 1205 zone, and in order for us to get to that 1205 zone, that is a move of about 10%, and if we're able to clear that, we could be making a move up to that 1347 mark. So step-by-step process as always. Pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin right now, but let me know down below if you guys agree with this. What is your overall take on the entire situation? Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been CryptoZX, and peace out.